Hello everyone, I am Saijit and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the Poco X3 Pro versus the Mi 10i device in terms of all the performance, display, camera, battery and the build quality and the connectivity and the price. All the details I'll try to explain each and everything clearly in this entire video, friends. And before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on each and every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel. As you can see, there's so many playlists which are created for each and every phone, which will be very much helpful for you in case if you want to buy the phone. And let's get started, friends. First thing is that the Mi 10i phone got launched I think couple of months, and the Poco X3 Pro has got launched recently in the global variant, and the phone has got so lot of attraction as well because of the processor. That is where we are beginning right now. The Poco X3 Pro has got Snapdragon 860 chipset, and whereas the Mi 10i will be having the Snapdragon 750 chipset. As you can see, friends, in terms of the performance difference, I can definitely say the Snapdragon 860 processor will be definitely outperforming this Snapdragon 750G processor, because in terms of the Antutu benchmark score, you can expect the difference up to close to, I think, from 4,70,000 to the 3,30,000 in the Mi 10i device. So there is a difference of 1,40,000 and 50,000 difference is there. So that's a quite good difference, I would say, definitely. So for the gamers point of view, the Snapdragon 860 will be the best option to buy instead of a normal 750G processor. And one more thing, the 750G has 5G inbuilt, so that's another biggest advantage, and you don't get any 5G in this Poco X3 Pro device. Unfortunately, that's another major biggest disadvantage. So in terms of the processor, you are getting UFS 3.1 versus UFS 2.2, which is present in this Mi 10i device. So in the performance wise, I would definitely pick this Poco X3 Pro device only. So in the display segment, friends, both phones, they're having the same option, same 120Hz, same everything is gonna be same in both the devices. So nothing much difference in the display. All the screen size, ratio, resolution, everything is same in both the phones. As you can clearly see, nothing much difference in terms of the display. So in the camera, absolutely, yeah, Mi 10i is a better option because you are getting Samsung H2 sensor, as you can see, 108 megapixel sensor, which will give you the very good results. But the Poco X3 Pro, unfortunately, you are having only 48 megapixel lens, so which is very much disappointing, I would say, definitely, friends. In the camera segment, the Mi 10i is a clear winner. So next is the battery and the charging. So in terms of the battery and the charging, I would not be able to comment much on the Poco X3 Pro because the Poco X3 Pro, the global variant, has only 5160 mAh of battery, and the Indian version, chances of that they are changing the battery is slightly less. So maybe they might launch with the same battery capacity, or they might increase to 6000 mAh of battery capacity. But if they increase 6000 mAh of battery capacity, the X3 Pro will be having a lot of better advantage when you compare with the Mi 10i device. The Mi 10i has got only a 4820 mAh of battery. That's a very less battery, not very less. If the same battery's capacity is there, so maybe it's around 200 or 300 milliamperes difference. That would be only small difference. But if they decided to change to 6000 mAh of battery, then the difference will be more. So right now, the battery and the charging is kind of same in both phones, so you cannot expect much difference at all. So next, in the build quality, in terms of the build quality also, friends, both phones are having the same kind of weight, 215 grams on the Poco X3 Pro and the 214 grams on the Mi 10i device. So there is nothing much differences going on even in the weight factor as well. So in terms of the build quality, both are having dual speakers, same kind of IR blaster and same expandable storage, and 1 TB expandable storage in this phone. That's another good advantage. So overall in the build quality, everything is same. 3.5mm jack, all the things are same. In the connectivity option, 5G is there and the 4G in this phone. So that's a major differences, and there is no Wi-Fi 6. So recently I started to include this connectivity option because we are seeing 5G and the connectivity 6 of Wi-Fi connectivity 6 nowadays in the phones. So instead of mentioning there is no Wi-Fi 6, there is no 5G in this Poco X3 Pro. Even in the Mi 10i as well, there is no Wi-Fi 6 option in this phone. That's also another disadvantage. But you are getting 5G in this Mi 10i device. That's a major difference, friends. In terms of the price range, so right now Mi 10i is available about 21,999. So 22,000 the Mi 10i is available if the price of this Poco X3 Pro is less than 20,000, then that would be really great to buy the Poco X3 Pro device. So 22,000 for the price of Mi 10i. I was expecting the price of the Poco X3 Pro should be around 18,000, and 18,000 should be good option for this phone. So let's see friends, if the phone get launched below that price, then definitely this is a very good option. If the price of this phone is above 25,000 and 23,000, then definitely you should think again twice to buy this phone, because there are other good phones like the Poco F3 device, so which you might get better value out of that phone. So this is a small comparison friends, and for more in detail comparison, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll try to do another comparisons on the camera display, in-depth comparisons. That videos will be for another day. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those interesting videos, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.